WhatsApp report contact. So if you need to report a contact on WhatsApp and forward the last message, you have to follow this step. First of all, go and open up your WhatsApp. Once you have opened up your WhatsApp, open the chat that you want to contact to report. Just go and go for the one of the chat here. So once you are here, you have to tap on the contact name or number which is on the top of the chat to their profile. Once you are here, you have to scroll down to find the report contact here. You will find the report here. And you may need to ask to confirm the report and provide the additional content and go for the report option. So here you can see the report option. Just go for the report and the ad's been report. So to forward the last message on your WhatsApp, you have to just go and tap and hold on that message like this and just go for the forward option. Usually you can forward it one-to-one here. Just go for that. So with the help of this step, you can easily report or contact on your WhatsApp. Be clear and conscious about who you are reporting that contact. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.